So yeah, there's also one more product that I wanted to share with you guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Naina, and if you're watching me for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on my Instagram. The link is given in the description below. So today I'm going to be talking about some most affordable and good quality makeup tools. So without delaying, let's just start the video. So as you guys can see, I'm totally barefaced. I haven't applied any makeup on my face. It's only a moisturizing cream and a lip balm on my face, and I'm going to be trying out these brush set and also this makeup sponge by Miniso. How do they work, and are they even worth spending the money or not? So about these brushes, these are 6 pieces and you also get the storage bag with them, and I paid 184 rupees for this set and it was MRP'd at 260 rupees on Amazon. So yeah, it was available on discount on Amazon. Talking about the sponge, you get this with the container. It's in a cute avocado shape and you get to keep it separately from all the makeup tools so that its hygiene is maintained. And this was MRP'd at 190 and I got it for 170 or 180, I'm not sure, but yeah, it was also available on discount. I'm going to soak this in water and we will see how much it swells and what the size of the sponge becomes when it is wet. The size of the sponge almost doubles its original size, and this is the container of the sponge. So yeah, I'm really impressed by this quality of the sponge. It's quite soft. So let's see how much product it soaks while application. I missed filming the footage of application, but yeah, this is the amount of product the sponge has soaked into it. So at the end, even if you're getting for an affordable product, you're going to end up wasting a lot of makeup product that you will be applying. Okay, on the other side, I won't complain about any patchiness because it has applied the product really smoothly on my face. It blends very well and the application is quite seamless with this product. So you can definitely try out the sponge. First of all, I'm using this brush. It's an eyeshadow brush used for blending the shadow, but I'm also going to use it for the application of the loose powder around the areas wherever I have concealed. I won't disagree that the length of the brush, the handle is quite small. So yeah, you will have to work with this. Next, I'm going to use this powder brush, or you can use it also as a blush brush or for bronzing or contouring. I'm going to use it for dusting off the excess powder all over my face. Next brush is this eyebrow comb. I don't really use this brush because my eyebrows are already quite thick. It does its job. This eyeshadow brush, as you can see, it is tapered from here, so it helps blending out the color in the crease area properly. The brushes do pick up a lot of color, but for blending it out, it was very easy to use these brushes to blend the color. It also pays off the color properly and doesn't wash off the color on your eyelids. Next, I use this sponge applicator to apply the shimmer shades all around the lid. For just 184 rupees, these brushes are seriously a steal deal. Taking the same powder brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. Lastly, I'm using this lip brush for application of highlighter. So that is how the complete look turned out by using these brushes and this sponge applicator from Miniso. For 170 and 184, these both the products are a good deal and you should definitely go for it. There's also one more product that I wanted to share with you guys, and you can also go for it if you wish. So these are the brushes from Puna store and they are available on Amazon. They haven't compromised for the quality, and actually these are the dupe of Real Techniques brushes, but the bristles and everything of these brushes are very good quality. The bristles don't come off easily. I have washed them, I don't know, uncountable times, but they haven't yet broken and there's no flaw in these brushes and they actually work very well. I have mentioned all the products in the description. You guys can check it out, and that was it from my side. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.